Thank you note. January 27, 2026. Thank you very much, Ms. T. After the heavy snowstorm this weekend, parking in the city was terrible this morning. I drove around more than 3 times and still couldn't find a spot. While waiting, I even helped a stranger shovel his car about 15 minutes. When he finally put out, I put in and immediately got stuck in the snow. Luckily, I managed to get out using an old sample board under the tires. Altogether, parking took about 1 hour. Yet you were very understanding, and I truly appreciate that. Once we met, everything flowed smoothly. I did my best to provide my 5-star cabin service, and we had a wonderful conversation. The vinyl plank you selected was from a premium collection, and unfortunately, it couldn't fit within your budget. Still, we share many laps and keep warm at Murphy's throughout the visit. And I learned that you are retired from New York's Board of Education. Our conservation naturally turned to education. Like you, I feel concerned about today's children being controlled by a smartphone, losing interest in learning, and even exposed to drugs. We both agree that things are very different from 25 years ago, and there's no way to go back. But that doesn't mean we give up. We can still stay positive and do what we can do to make small improvements. I shared a simple metaphor with you. A newborn baby is like a bottle of pure water. As the child grows, red and green are added. Then sugar, salt, even soy sauce. After many years, what does the water becomes? Perhaps dark, perhaps unpleasant. So, how do we make it clear again? We add more pure water. That pure water is the town. Babies are close to the town. In learning, we accumulate. In the town, we let go. Sometimes the more we add, the further we dropped. The only being letting go do we return. This is the quiet wisdom of Chinese philosophy. You gave me a sum up for this simple inspiration. Thank you for such meaningful and fruitful discussion. Time is limited, and we agree to continue our conversations another day. Thank you again, Ms. T. It is truly a pleasure meeting you.